Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix the Instagram disabled accounts can't be contacted problem in 2025. So, if your account is disabled and you're seeing the can't be contacted error when trying to appeal, don't worry. In this guide I will show you the best way to fix this issue in 2025 and recover your account. Let's get started. So, step 1 is try the standard appeal form. Go to Instagram appeal page by navigating to any browser, typing in Instagram appeal page form, hit enter. Now navigate to the link that will say disabled Instagram account. When you click here, it will take you to another page. Now, what you'll have to simply do is click on the visit this page link on this page and you'll have to simply choose why can't you get into your account. Now choose my account was disabled and click continue or next. Now it will take you to another page where you'll have to simply enter your username, phone number, email or password and select my account was disabled by mistake on the next step 2 and then upload a clear photo of yourself holding a piece of paper with a username and today's date on the next page. Then submit the form and wait for Instagram's response via email. Now, step 2 is using the Facebook business support chat if the form doesn't work. So what you'll have to do is navigate to any browser, type in Facebook business support, then click on Meta Business Help Center link and it will take you to another page. Now, what you'll have to do is simply click on the Get Support button here and explain your issue politely and request a manual review of your account getting banned. Now another way through which you can solve your problem is by sending an appeal via email. This is an alternative method. So if the appeal form doesn't work, send an email to support@instagram.com or disabled@instagram.com with your full name, username and email link to your account. A detailed explanation like my account was wrongly disabled and I cannot contact Instagram through appeal form. Please review my case manually. Good work. Now, I also have some tips for you. You should be patient because Instagram may take a few days to respond. Avoid submitting multiple appeals in a short time. This may delay the process. And if your appeal gets rejected, try again with different wording after a few days. And that's how you can fix the Instagram can't be contacted error and recover your disabled account. If this video helped, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know if you got your account back. See you in the next one.